Hi everyone, welcome to week 7. We are almost to the end of the course. So let's talk about what we're going to do this week. This week we're going to cover chapters 13 and 14. These are the two most important chapters in your job search, so you definitely want to save the information from these two chapters because you will use this in the future. As you're thinking about the job search, I want you to think about how do you effectively navigate the job search? What is the job search process? How do I write a resume, especially in the digital age? Do I want to do this chronologically? Do I point out my skills and abilities? Do I have an objective statement? How do I create a resume that's more than just a piece of paper, but it actually communicates clearly with the employer and it shows what I'm capable of? This is the skill sets that I have, and this is what I want to learn from you as the employer. Also, these are the skills and the talents that I believe can add value to your business. How do we go through the interview process? And once the interview process is over, how do we follow up? In this chapter, in both of these chapters, there are some great practical tips on how to write an effective resume and how to prepare for the interview. As you know, if you have had an interview before, interviews can be nerve-wracking. So, some things that you want to think about. What questions do I ask? Yes, you can practice for an interview. How do I respond? How do I prepare for the day of the interview? Once the interview is over, what do I do then? What are my next steps? So there's lots of questions that are answered in chapter 13 and 14, and I think these are very good chapters with practical information. The assignment this week is a combined assignment, so that is why it says 7/8. You're going to write a cover letter for a job that you're actually interested in. If you already have a job and you want to keep that job, then you can do your cover letter for the job that you're currently in. I want this cover letter to be real, and I want it to express interest in a position that actually interests you. You're writing a cover letter telling how you're prepared for that job, what you've done for that job, and what you can offer. So this cover letter, I want it to be a very real assignment for you. Make it real. Make it about a job that you're interested in, either now or in the future. And I'm going to grade this as if it's a real cover letter. So remember, as you're writing your cover letter this week, it is a 100-point assignment, not like the other assignments that were 50 points. So it's 2 assignments combined into one. Please put a lot of thought and energy and effort into this assignment. I've also posted the study guide for the final exam. If you have not done so, you need to schedule your proctored final exam. And you can do that by clicking on Smarter Proctoring. The exam will open Monday of next week and will close on Friday. So the last day of the semester is next Friday. I cannot accept a late exam submission, so please be sure that you schedule your exam and that you take it next week between the days of Monday through Friday. There's a lot to do this week, but these are actually practical assignments that will help you in your future and in your job search. Again, be sure to prepare for the final exam and also work on your resumes that are due next Thursday. Let me know if you have any questions.